another verdict. Let's return the jury.
Oh yeah, it's Yuri Melich. Oh man.
State recognized presence of the jury.
We do, Your Honor.
And does the defense.
Yes, sir, we do.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen of the jury. Have you reached the verdict?
Yes, sir.
Would you hand the verdict form to the court deputy, please?
Oh man. You can't. She looks sick. She looks almost sick to her stomach. Look at her. She's trying to like read everyone's expressions. She's doing anything she can.
Will the defendant rise along with counsel? Madam Clerk, you may publish the verdicts.
In the Circuit Court for the 9th Judicial Circuit in for Orange County, Florida, State of Florida versus Casey Marie Anthony. As to case number 2008 CF 15606-0. As to the charge of first-degree murder, verdict as to count 1. We, the jury, find the defendant not guilty, so say we all, dated at Orlando.
Holy shit.
On this 5th day of July, 2011, signed for person.
Oh my god.
As to the charge of aggravated child abuse, verdict as to count 2. We, the jury, find the defendant not guilty.
Oh my god.
So say we all, dated at Orlando, Orange County, Florida, this 5th day of July, 2011,
Am I watching this?
signed for person. As to the charge of aggravated manslaughter of a child, verdict as to count 3. We, the jury, find the defendant not guilty.
Oh.
So say we all, dated at Orlando, Orange County, Florida, this 5th day of July, 2011, signed
She
for
just
person.
got off.
As to the charge of providing false information to
Oh,
a
she's
law
gonna get in trouble
enforcement
for that.
officer, verdict as to count 4. We, the jury, find the defendant guilty of providing false information to a law enforcement officer as charged in
She'll
the
get time
indictment.
served for that.
So say we all, dated Orlando, Orange County, Florida, this 5th day of July, 2011, signed for person. As to the charge of providing false information to a law enforcement officer, verdict as to count 5. We, the jury, find the defendant guilty of providing false information to a law enforcement officer as
Oh
charged in the
my
indictment.
god.
So say we all, dated Orlando, Orange County, Florida, this 5th day of July, 2011, signed for person. As to the charge of providing false information to a law enforcement officer, verdict as to count 6. We, the jury, find the defendant not guilty. We, the jury, find the defendant guilty of providing false information to a law enforcement officer as charged in the indictment.
She had like
So
four
say we all,
four
dated
charges of
Orlando,
that.
Orange County, Florida, this 5th day of July, 2011, signed for person. As to
Yeah.
the charge of providing false information to a law enforcement officer, verdict is to count 7. We, the jury, find the defendant guilty of providing false information to a law enforcement officer as charged in the indictment.
Huh?
So say we all, dated Orlando,
That ain't
Orange County,
shit.
Florida, this 5th day of July.
She's been in jail for
2011,
3
signed for
years.
person.
4 counts of lying to a police officer is gonna. She's not gonna get anything. She got off on first-degree murder,
Juror number 1, were the
child
objection
neglect,
records? Pardon? Juror number 1, were these your true and correct verdicts?
No.
Were they all your true and correct verdicts?
Yes.
Juror number 2, were these your true and correct verdicts? Juror number 3, were these your true and correct verdicts?
Yes.
Juror number 4, were these your true and correct verdicts?
Yes.
She
Juror
looks
number 5, were
pissed.
these your true and correct verdicts?
Yes.
Juror number 6, were these your true and correct verdicts?
Yes.
Juror number 7, were these your true and correct verdicts?
Yes.
Juror number 8, were these your true and correct verdicts?
Yes.
Juror number 9, were these your true and correct verdicts?
Yes.
Juror number 10, were these your true and correct verdicts?
Yes.
Juror number 11, were these your true and correct verdicts?
Yes.
And juror number 12, were these your true and correct verdicts?
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay. Well, counsel
Oh
and the defendant
my
approach the podium.
God.
Not all the counsel, but just Representative Sample.
I wonder if she's gonna talk.
Casey Marie Anthony, the jury of your peers, have been found you not guilty as to the charge contained in count 1 of the indictment, murder in the first degree. At this time, I will adjudge you to be not guilty.
Oh,
As to count 2, the crime of aggravated child abuse, a jury of your peers having found you to be not guilty, the court will adjudge you to be not guilty of the crime contained in count 2.
You never
As to count 3, aggravated manslaughter of a child, a jury of your peers having you found you not guilty, I will adjudge you to be not guilty of that count. As to counts 4, 5, 6, and 7, providing false information to a law enforcement officer, I will adjudge you to be guilty of those counts in order that you be fingerprinted here in open court at this time.